Today, pag-uusapan natin two very premium na foldables in the market today. I have here on my right is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and on my left is the Huawei Mate X6. Now, if you're spending 100,000 pesos choosing between two heavyweights, what are the things to consider? Definitely yung kanyang feel, kanyang performance, and for me, battery life, and of course, ang kanyang camera, which pag-uusapan natin after this quick intro. Na itong si Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 na may 12 gigs of RAM and a 512 gigs of storage is priced at 113,999 pesos. Samantala to si Huawei Mate X6 na may 12 gigs of RAM and a 512 gigs of storage is priced at 114,999. More details on the description box below. Now, right now, pag-usapan natin the materials and design netong dalawang device na ito. Now, pag pinold mo si Huawei Mate X6, it looks like this. Makita mo sa likod niya is made out of vegan leather. Talaga mukhang mga premium na camera bump ang meron ni Huawei Mate X6. Samantala, pag si Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 ang pinold mo, makita mo this yung likod niya is made out of glass finish. Itong camera bump niya, no, mukha siyang tatlong ring na pinagdikit. Na yung likod nito is being protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Yung likod naman nito, si Huawei naman, meron siyang silicone polymer na back or tawag natin eco leather finish. Kapag tinignan naman natin on its side, makita mo, di hamak na makita mo mas makapal dito sa Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. And pag binasa mo ang kanyang spec sheet, this one is being protected by the Armor aluminum frame ni Samsung. Samantala kay Huawei, it's aerospace grade na aluminum. And itong hinge din na Z Fold 6, wala akong nabasa na spec sa kanya, no? Samantala ito kay Huawei, it's a water drop hinge, no? Which has 20% better na material strength din compared sa ibang mga foldables out there in the market. Na pagdating naman sa harap, itong si Z Fold 6 being protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Samantala itong kay Huawei, it's being protected by the Kunlun Glass 2. Plus, meron din siya carbon fiber na inner screen support, giving it 65% more material strength compared sa ibang mga smartphones out there in the market. So when it's folded, si Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a 12.1mm na thickness. Ito naman kay Huawei, mas manipis siya at 9.9mm thick. Pag in-unfold mo tong si Z Fold 6, it has a 5.6mm thickness. Samantala to kay Huawei, it only has a 4.6mm thickness. Pero pagdating naman sa weight, both has 239 grams of weight. Na pagdating naman sa IP ratings, itong si Z Fold 6 has a IP48 na dust and water resistance. Pagdating naman dito sa Mate X6, it is better. It has a IPX8 na dust and water resistant which kaya na mag-resist up to 2 meters na depth for 30 minutes. So this one, si Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, meron siyang tatlong camera lenses dito sa likod. Now, we have a 50MP na main camera sensor na may aperture 1.8 and meron siya OIS at the same time. 10MP ang kanyang telephoto lens, kaya niya up to 3 times optical zoom na may OIS din. And meron siyang 12MP na ultra-wide lens na kaya magbigay siya up to 123 degrees na field of view. This one can let you shoot up to 8K and 30 FPS. And meron siyang under-display na camera dito, which is astig, for me, na nakatago. It's a 4MP na sensor. This one can let you shoot up to 1080p and 30 FPS. Pero yung kanyang camera dito can let you shoot up to 4K and 60 FPS sa kanyang cover camera. Pero yung kanyang 10MP na front-facing camera dito sa labas sa cover can let you shoot up to 4K and 60. Samantala naman dito kay Huawei, mas matataas sa mga megapixel count dito sa kanyang camera. Ang kanyang main camera sensor is 50MP na may OIS, na may variable aperture na 1.4 up to aperture 4. Ang kanyang periscope telephoto lens may 48MP na up to 4 times sa optical zoom na may OIS. Together with a 40MP na ultra-wide lens na may up to 120 degrees sa field of view. This one can let you shoot up to 4K and 60. But ang kanyang camera dito sa loob is 8MP which can let you shoot up to 4K and 30 FPS. And 8MP rin dito sa labas pareho, 4K and 30 FPS din. And advantage ni Mate X6, meron din siya Ultra Chroma by the way. Plus kaya niya magkuha ng AI moving photo na hindi kaya ni Samsung. Pakita ko sa inyo. Meron siyang parang live view mode dito, kailangan mo i-turn on. So right now, gagalaw-galawin ko yung kamay ko. Yan. Kuha tayo ng shots, no? Makita mo na this is a very awkward na shot. Now, to-turn on na natin ang ating AI moving object, i-correct niya to, no? So, kita natin, it would change siya. Kita mo, naging mas malinaw na siya. Yan, so, kung kanina malabo, makita mo mga photos malabo, ko-correct na, auto-correct na para mas maging malinaw ang photo. Which is definitely something good dito sa Mate X6 na wala kay Samsung Z Fold 6. Now, titingnan na natin mga shots nila on their respective na ultra-wide lenses. This is how it looks like. This is a normal shot, 2x zoom. This is a 3x zoom shot, 10 times, 20 times, and 30 times zoom. Taking you a bit further to, si Mate X6, kaya niya mag-zoom up to 100 times zoom. Mababasa mo pa rin ang words niya, kahit anong sabihin natin. Now, pag tinignan naman natin ang front-facing camera using yung outside na camera niya, mas nearer yung shot ni Samsung and medyo mas wider ang shot ni Huawei. Now, tinayin din naman natin ng portrait shot, pero this time around I would give it to Samsung for getting me the better portrait shot on indoor versus dito kay Huawei na medyo mas softer konti compared kay Samsung. Now, if you compare itong dalawang shot na ito using the outside camera, honestly, I would say na parang medyo mas sharper and medyo mas smoother ang capture ko dito sa Samsung Z Fold 6, no? Pero pagdating naman dito sa kanyang rear camera, honestly, I would give it to Mate X6 for giving me the better and clearer na video compared sa Z Fold 6. Now, pagdating naman sa kanyang video for zooming, mas malayo ang kaya i-zoom ni Huawei pagdating sa video. Si Samsung can only go up to 10 times zoom sa video, si Huawei can go up to 20 times zoom. Now, another thing na kaya gawin ni Huawei na hindi kaya ni Samsung is to take a selfie video using yung kanyang rear camera. Observe na to, no? Switch natin sa selfie, no? Pindutin lang natin to, no? Yan. So, I can take a selfie photo using this rear camera na nakita natin, no? Sa astig, di ba? Which is something na limitation ni Samsung. Kaya hindi na kaya gawin. So, you would see both of these videos playing at the same time. Parang medyo mas litaw konti ang color nito pagdating sa mga neon na dito sa Huawei Mate X6 as compared dito sa Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, one thing na hindi ko gusto dito sa Z Fold 6, ito, pag sinara ko si Mate X6, automatically pumunta siya dito, no? Yung pinapanood ko. Pero sa Z Fold 6, nawala na, no? So, tuloy na natin i-play, no? Pag sinara mo, wala. Lock screen na siya. Now, pagdating naman dito sa outside screen naman nila, both resolution looks good. One thing na magusto mo dito sa Huawei Mate X6 is that mas wider ang kanyang view. Now, this one, medyo mas elongated siya, pero yung medyo mas cramped lang ang video dito. This one looks just like another ordinary smartphone. Pero one thing na gusto ko sa Z Fold 6 dito is pag nilapa mo sa table, lapa siya. Ito, mas angat dito sa camera bump, which I think hindi masyado pantay. Now, one thing that I also find interesting dito sa Huawei Mate X6 is meron siyang live multitask, no? Where you can multitask up to 3 different apps all at the same time. Like you say, gusto ko mag-compare, no? Meron binibili sa Lazada, sa Shopee. Now, I can just use itong multitask ko, switch between screen, and at the same time nanood ako ng TikTok, YouTube. Kayang-kaya mag-multitask itong si Huawei Mate X6. So, kunwari ganito, you can always add any app na gusto mo dito na isasama mo lang sa kanya multi-view. Yan, no? So, up to 3 apps, no, all at the same time. So, giving you a lot of freedom and flexibility dito sa Mate X6. Now, at the same time, kaya naman ni Samsung, except that may limitation siya, no? Can't use this app in multi-window view. So, there are just only some selected na apps na kaya niya. Like si Lazada, support niya. Pero there's only a few selected app lang na pwede. Like si TikTok, pwede. So, you can do this, pero wala ka na pwede i-switch, no? Up to 2 screen lang at the same time dito sa Samsung Z Fold 6, which is yung ang kanyang limitation. Unlike kay Huawei Mate X6, up to 3 apps and walang limit sa apps. Dito, limited ang apps na pwede mong gamitin on this view. Now, another thing to consider is when you use mga big phones like this one, you want a bigger, better na battery. Now, si Z Fold 6 comes together with a 4,400 mAh na battery. And this only supports up to 25 watts na fast charging, which is not fast, honestly. Medyo slow siya, no? And medyo mas maliit na battery. Samantala to, si Huawei Mate X6 has a bigger battery at 5,110 mAh and it supports a faster charging capability of up to 66 watts na charging. So, this one can last you longer through the day kasi mas malaki and charge you faster when you need it. Now, one of the features na sobrang pinagmamalaki ni Huawei sa kanyang phone dito sa Mate X6, no, is that pag sinara mo siya, 0-0 ang kanyang clearance dito. So, we'll do the paperclip challenge on both phones. Let's see, no, kung okay siya. So, dito, gagawin natin sa Mate X6. Okay? So, kaya niya i-hold, no? Yeah, ang problema, no? Just say, thin sheet of bond paper. Yan, kita nyo. So gawin din natin dito kay Galaxy Z Fold 6. I wonder kung mag-hold up siya, no? wag na, bago mahulog to at madisgrasya pa. So, yun, kita nyo guys, kaya niya 0-0 ang kanyang pagsara. Hindi kaya ni Z Fold 6. Now, one advantage na meron ni Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is that it comes with a pen support na wala si Mate X6. But take note that this pen works only sa loob ng screen and hindi dito sa labas. Pagdating naman sa gaming, both devices can perform, except that siguro medyo mas maganda ng konti ang performance si Galaxy Z Fold 6 dahil sa kanyang better processor. Now, after natin pinag-compare tong dalawang phones nito, what are the things that I found out and what's my best recommendation? Now, both phones are really nice. But personally, I found out na better ang feel ko dito sa Huawei Mate X6 dahil mas curvier siya. At pag pinold mo siya, it looks like just another normal smartphone. Pagdating sa camera performance, most of the photos looks better dito sa Mate X6. And pagdating sa battery life, mas okay din kay Mate X6, lalo sa charging and battery size. Pagdating sa crease, kunting advantage si Mate X6, pero pag sa 0-0 gap, talagang panalo si Mate X6 compared sa Z Fold 6. But one thing na gusto ko sa Z Fold 6 is that it supports pen, and pagdating sa gaming performance sa mga AAA games, mas okay ang performance ni Z Fold 6. Now, okay guys, pag pinagpili ko, anong pipili ninyo? Mate X6 o Z Fold 6? Ako personally, I'll just simply pick this one as the better option overall, opposed dito sa Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, if you're interested to know kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong dalawang phone na ito, I'll link in all the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends, and a quick sub sa akin channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.